Boys and girls, in today's lesson, we are talking about singular and plural. In other words, one and more than one. And in our last few lessons, we learned that we can make words more than one by adding s at the end of certain words and by adding es to words that end in s. In today's lesson, we will add es to words that end in x and z to show more than one. Let's take some examples. Here we have box, box, box. And we are talking here about a word that ends in x. So how do we show more than one for a word that ends in x? Well, boys and girls, we see here we have just one box. But what if we had more than one? If we had to make the word box more than one, we would add es to the end of the word. So here we had one box. But here we have two of them. To show more than one, we have added the letters E and S to the end of the word box. So here we have one box, and here we have two boxes. ES comes at the end of the word because our word ends with X. Boxes. One box, two boxes. Now here is another word that ends in letter X. This word is fox. Fox. And here we have just one fox. But what if we wanted to show more than one? So here I see two of them. So I would add E and S to the end of the word fox to make it more than one. One fox, two foxes. One fox, two foxes. Here we have another word that ends with X. Our word is tax. Tax. To show more than one, we add E and S to the end of the word, and it will become taxes. Tax for just one tax. ES will be added to the end of the word that has X in it, tax, to show more than one. Taxes. One tax. Many taxes. Now here, children, we see a word that ends with letter Z. And for words that end in Z, we also add ES to show more than one. This is the word buzz. So this one B is just doing one buzz. If there were many bees and there was a lot of buzzing happening, we would say buzzes. Buzzes. Buzz. And to make the word more than one, we add ES at the end of the word because it has letter Z. Buzzes.